Hi, my name is Rojina Islam and today I'm going to show you how to create Google Slides and how to upload the slides into Google Classroom. As a teacher, I like to have my lessons on slides so that my lessons are more planned and organized and they're more effective this way as I find the lesson flows nicely. It also helps me to make sure that I don't miss anything out. Previously, I have always been the person to use PowerPoint. However, I must say that I find Google Slides much more easier to use. The slides are automatically saved into your drive, and the best thing is you can access your slides whenever you want, as long as you're online. So I can access my slides at school as well as at home. Now, to create a slide, if you go into Google, you have to be logged into your Gmail account. If you go into Google Apps and go to Slides, this will take you to the Slides homepage. If you then click on Blank Presentation, once you're in your presentation, you can choose a theme if you need it, but it all depends on what you are doing for your slides. The first thing I do is give my presentation a title. The title, obviously, when it saves into your drive, it's easier for you to locate when you need to upload it or when you need to use it. Okay, I'm just going to save this, or I'm just going to move away. Now, this is saved, as you can see, it's saved automatically into your drive. I'm just going to show you a slide that I've created before for one of my lessons. It's everything that I want to teach in my lesson. I have put it onto my slides. This helps my lessons flow beautifully. And I know I won't miss anything out. Everything's already there. Now to present this slide, all I will do is click on present and that slide will then present. Okay. Right. For you to upload this presentation into your Google Classroom, you need to go to Google Classroom, find the class that you want to upload it to. So you go into classwork, create. I'm just going to say material because I don't want my students to hand anything in. I just want them to access the Google Slides. Give it a title. You can give them, it's optional to give them a description. So I've just given them an instruction to look at the slides. You go to add and then you go to file. Now you then click on My Drive. My Drive is where your documents are saved. And depending on where you've saved it, where you've saved your Google Slides, you should be able to just click on the folder and upload the slide that you've created. So I've uploaded that, I've added that slide there now. I'm just going to link it to my topic and I'm going to post. And that's how you upload your slide onto Google Classroom. I hope you have enjoyed watching my video and thank you for watching.